Hello everyone. So here we are with the first semi-final after 148 participants participating from all over the country and also from abroad. So we are here with the semi-final one. So can we have a quick round of introduction? Who you are, from where are you, what are you doing? So starting with Ritvik Kambil, you. Hello.
So hi everyone. So my name is Ritvik. So I'm from Calicut. So I just completed my MBA from Pushkin University. Yeah.
Yeah. Up next, Prakhar.
Yeah, just saying. Yeah. So hi, I'm Prakhar Khurana. I'm from Gurgaon, studying in DBS VK 11th grade PCMCS. So
okay. Up next we have Nandini.
Hi, I am Nandini from Assam. I am doing my MTech in Kolkata.
Up next we have Manjul Saikia.
Hello, I am Manjil. I'm from Tezpur. I was an alumni of Tezpur University and we organized the first in Signis. So it's very nice to be participating in this one. I'm in Cardiff right now and I'm doing a postdoc.
Thanks a lot for participating, like from organizing to participating. So up next we have Zaman all the way from Kerala.
Hi, I'm Zaman. I'm a final year MA student from University of Hyderabad. Yeah, and I'm from Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram.
I think we are good to go. Anyone buzz?
The buzzer is locked.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Extremely sorry.
If no one buzzed, I will dictate the question.
Yeah, no one buzzed.
Okay. Tadao, Yukio, Kuzao.
Yeah, Ritvik Kambil buzzed.
Okay.
I think I jumped the gun, but I'll say Casio, as in the Casio brothers.
And who are they?
They are the Casio brothers from which we get Casio.
And what's Casio?
This is a company which manufactures all those stuff. So.
Okay. So the question was like Tadao, Yukio, Kuzao, Toshio were brothers. They founded what in 1946? That's the question. The first product was the UBU pipe, a finger ring that would hold a cigarette. So answer is Casio. Let's give you a +1. So Ritvik on +1. Moving on to second question.
Yeah, so the buzzers are cleared.
Okay.
Could everyone please check? No, the question hasn't come yet. Excuse me, Mr. Khan.
Sorry, that was a mistake.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Give him -1.
it would have been a fresh question. You would have to answer. Okay. Moving on to question number 2.
Again, the question hasn't come. Mr.
That was my fault. I was just scrolling. My fault.
Yeah. So shall I proceed to the next question?
Yeah, sure. Question number 2. Anyone buzzed?
No.
Okay, this island is the main island of the autonomous region, part of Papua New Guinea. This island and a flower is named after the same person. Who was the friend? Okay.
So it's Ritvik Kambil first, Manjil second.
Okay, let Ritvik answer. What's the answer?
This is Bougainville after Louis Antoine de Bougainville.
A brilliant answer, and that fetches you +1 again. So brilliant answer, Louis Antoine de Bougainville or Bougainville is the correct answer. So I was looking for the name of the person or the name of the flower or the name of the island. All the answer are same, Bougainville. So that fetches you another +1. Moving on to question number 3. A simple one. He's a Taiwanese American material scientist. What he is best known for? So what he is best known for? He is Taiwanese American material scientist. So what he is best known for? This person.
Mr. Khan buzzed.
Okay,
Mr.
Khan.
Khan and Prakhar Khurana.
Okay, don't say the second buzz first, even if so okay. Only go to the second buzz only when the first buzz is wrong. Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Zaman.
Okay, so Mr. Khan.
I'm taking a half chance here. I'll say the N95 mask.
And who is he?
No idea what his name is, but I know a Taiwanese American is the inventor or the person behind it.
So I was about to say this person whose name is Peter Tsai is best known for what? So brilliant answer, Zaman.
I wanted to ask
+1.
that can the half part be transposed to the next person who buzzed?
No.
There's no other part. The part was what is he the inventor of? Yeah.
So the answer was best known for. That was the part of the question. The Peter Tsai was the part of the question he buzzed even before I pronounced Peter Tsai. So that is a +1 for Zaman. Moving on to question number 4, without any further delay. Question number 4. So his Mary Beatrice Kenner, she was an American inventor most noted for her development of what? However, for racial discrimination, her patent for it was prevented for 30 years. So what she is best known for? Mary Beatrice Kenner. So 5.
Prakhar Khurana.
Okay.
Sanitary
Prakhar, can
belts,
you? What?
sanitary belts, like
Brilliant answer, and that fetches you +1. So she's best known for sanitary belt. Moving on to question number 5. So he was elected a fellow of Royal Society in 1927, was awarded Rumford Medal in 1932, and delivered their Becquerel lecture in 1945. A unit of thickness is named after him. Who or what unit? A unit of thickness is named after him. Who or what unit? Very famous. The unit is very famous, I would say.
Mr. Khan Bazin.
Okay.
Okay, I'll say this is Dobson, the person, the ozone layer thickness.
Ozone layer thickness, and the person is Dobson. Who is? Can you tell the full name?
The unit is Dobson unit.
Okay, he is Gordon Dobson, and Dobson unit is named after him. That fetches you full 1 point. So after 5 questions, we have Ritvik on +2, Zaman on +2, Prakhar on +1, and Manjil and Nandini yet to score. There are 5 more questions halfway down. So moving on to question number 6.
Manjil Bazin.
Yeah, Manjilda, what's the question first? So what's the question?
So I think the answer is Bertrand Russell. So you were looking for a mathematician, Nobel laureate.
Okay, the question was name the Nobel laureate who got Culling Prize in 1957, and that fetches you +1. So moving on to question number 7. So straightforward question, answer Bertrand Russell. So moving on to question number 7. So who is he? A long-time professor of hydraulic engineer at University of California, Berkeley. Who is he? American Society of Civil Engineer has named an award in 1988 after him. It is an incomplete photo. So even if you give the famous surname, very famous surname, that will also fetch you full 1 point. So either give me who is he or the very famous surname. So for clues, I can say the first name from the science, every science background student, or like you can say will admire of, will be the famous surname. Or simply tell me who is his father, famous father.
Don't open the question for too long, no? It's like just
Hello?
keep a time frame, right?
Okay. Anyone buzzing?
No.
1988.
Yeah, Manjil Bazin.
Okay.
So I'm guessing Einstein's son.
And who is he?
I don't know the first name.
Okay. And I said this is the incomplete photo. He is basically lighting the, I think, cigar of Einstein. He is Hans Einstein, the son of Albert Einstein. So Hans Albert Einstein, there is an award in which was named after him by American Society of Civil Engineering. That fetches you +1. So after 7 questions, we have Ritvik on +2, Manjil on +2, Zaman on +2, Nandini yet to score, and Prakhar at +1. So 3 questions yet to go, and no one is at safe position yet now. So moving on to question number 8. So whose memorial? You can see a particular structure there. Whose
Prakhar
memorial is it?
John Gregor
Prakhar
Mendel.
Khurana Bazin.
Genetic.
Who is this? Prakhar?
Prakhar
Yeah,
Khurana Bazin.
So
Yeah, go for it.
this is father of genetics, John Gregor Mendel.
Okay, who buzzed the second buzz? So first question, where we will go the second
So-
buzzer.
So the second is Manjil.
Okay, Manjilda, can you go for your answer?
So you need the structure or like the
No,
person?
I'm looking for like who commemorating whom or something like that.
Yeah. So I'll guess, is it Rosalind Franklin?
Okay, is that your final answer? No third buzzer.
No, that was a mistake. Sorry.
Yeah, I mean, the structure looks like DNA helix. So I'm guessing.
So no. Are you giving a very specific answer or very generic answer? So please confirm that. So because I
Yeah,
said
so if you
And
need the
this-
person,
he said Rosalind Franklin. So if that's
Okay.
the person, give points or else.
That
Okay.
was a specific guess,
Okay.
I believe, because
Okay,
Rosalind Franklin.
that's a -1. So this is Maurice Wilkins, not Rosalind Franklin. This is Maurice Wilkins, not Rosalind Franklin. So Maurice Wilkins is what I was looking for. Yeah, you can see the DNA structure there, but taking it to a wrong part. Okay, moving on to question number 9, the penultimate question.
yeah.
Named after, this Pokemon is named after what?
First is Manjil.
Yeah.
First Manjil.
Okay, Manjula, can we go for the answer?
Yeah, Rafflesia.
Rafflesia arnoldi, that fetches you +1. So after question number 9, before the penultimate question, we have Ritvik on +2, Manzin on +2, Zaman on +2, Nandini yet to score, Prakhar yet to score. So I think we are with the top 3 here, but still, question number 10, the final question. Simply identify this person who was also associated with Chandrayaan 2.
Manjil. First is Manjil.
Okay.
Jitendranath Goswami.
That's a brilliant answer, and that fetches you +1. Jitendranath Goswami was also a pioneer to the event of the Chandrayaan 2. So that fetches you +1. And at the end of the semi-final 2, we have Manjil at 3, Ritvik at 2, and Zaman at 2 for the final top 6 position. So from semi-final 1, we will have Ritvik, Manjil, and Zaman for the final. So that's all from the semi-final, and hope to see you there in the final. And thank you, Nandini and Prakhar, for the cooperation.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Brilliant quiz.
Yeah, see you there in the final. Am I right?
I'm using it in a split screen actually.
Okay, that's good enough. So hope just make sure that you are technically okay. We have no issue with that. Okay, Anirudh, we can go forward with the presentation.
Okay, sure. Yeah, is it visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, before moving out into the semi-final 2, let's have a quick round of introduction. So starting off with Arun.
My name is Arun. I'm from Gurgaon.
Okay, up next we have Mr. Rishiraj.
Hello, I'm Rishiraj from Kolkata.
Up next we have Aviral.
Hello, I'm Aviral Tandon from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, up next we have Gokul.
I am Gokul, I'm from Delhi.
Up next we have Mimi Darshana. Hello. Hello.
Is she there on the call or has she dropped off?
I don't know. Up next we have Shabnam. Hello.
Let it pass now. It's okay. I mean, I wasted.
So starting of the quiz with the very first question of the semi-final 2. Just making sure the question number 1. So here in this question, you can see a particular reason. So if you want to buzz, so from this reason, which particular element get its name?
So
Which element?
Gokul.
Gokul, go for it.
Candian.
And which countries are there?
Norway, Iceland, Denmark, Sweden, and yeah, that's it, I think.
And together we call them Scandinavian. Scandinavia gets this name from Scandinavia, and that fetches you +1. So Gokul, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Gokul.
Gokul +1 for the very first question. Question number 2. So known for his organoleptic test, now standardized something else. He is Wilbur Lincoln, simply tell me which scale is named after him, or simply mention his last name. So I said Wilbur Lincoln is his first name. What I'm looking for is his last name, or which scale is named after him. I said Wilbur Lincoln. I said organoleptic test. If you know what organoleptic test is, that will be a giveaway hint. And if you don't know that, so organoleptic test is something, a particular test which has something to do with foods. So you can go for it. I said scale, that would be a giveaway hint. So it's Rishi. Yeah.
So is this the like the Scoville
Who is
scale?
this? Who is this?
It's Rishi. It's Rishi first.
Wait for Anirudh to say who is buzzing. Okay. So it's Rishi who buzz. Okay, Rishi, go for it.
Is this the Scoville scale, like the the chili hotness thing?
Okay, so he is Wilbur Lincoln Scoville. Is this your answer?
Yeah.
And that fetches you +1. Brilliant way to start the quiz with 2 brilliant answers. So moving on to question number 3. You can see a picture here. So these cotton buds were seen growing inside a 7-inch canister. These plants are in almost non-life supporting condition, as it has got a large temperature variation. Simple. Where exactly?
It's Rishi.
Okay, Rishi, go for it.
I think it's the International Space Station.
Okay, is that your answer?
Yeah, I will go for that.
Okay, anyone buzzed second? So that fetches you -1.
No.
Still waiting. You are very close, but not so correct. Anyone else?
We don't have any.
Okay,
No,
closing it. This is China's moon lander. So it's pronounced as Chang'e 4, or what it changes 4 moon lander. So China's moon lander would have fetched you full 1 points. So that fetches, this question fetches Rishi a -1. Anyways, a very good guess, but that fetches you a -1. Moving to question number 4, easy one. So what's the purpose? Simple one. Special purpose of this particular globe. So what's the purpose? I think the easiest of all. See the image carefully, get the answer there. Pretty workoutable.
It's Arun TP.
Okay, Arun, go for it.
I'm guessing this is a globe for blind people, braille. I can see it everywhere.
Okay. Was that a guess?
I can see braille, yeah. So everything is a guess.
That fetches a brilliant +1 for you. So this is globe for the blinds, or the braille globe. So it is not that the people can see the map, people can feel the map even if they are blind. So that fetches Arun TP +1. So moving on to question number 5. So halfway down, we'll be waiting for a while before the question. Okay, simple. Okay,
It's Gokul.
okay, Gokul, go for it.
It's Gokul.
This is Margaret Hamilton, who
And
wrote
who-
the NASA
Okay,
for the Apollo missions.
brilliant answer. Margaret Hamilton for the Apollo mission. Margaret Hamilton +1. Moving on to question number 6. Simple one. So the question was Lego toy commemorating home. Simple one. So moving on to question number 6. Halfway down. Okay. What I'm looking for is one of the milestone for India. What exactly is that?
It's Arun TP.
Okay, Arun, go for it.
This is the Apsara reactor.
And that's fetches you +1. So Apsara reactor, Apsara, anything would do. So Apsara +1. So after 6 question, we have Gokul at +2, Arun at +2, Rishi yet to score, like +1, -1, and rest of the 3 yet to score. Question number 7. Can you like hide that thing, which is like there's something up there? Okay, can be seen here in the image that Sushant Singh Rajput is wearing a. Okay.
It's Rishi.
Okay,
Schrödinger
sorry.
smiley.
Huh?
Schrödinger smiley. That one.
Okay, let me complete the question. Can be seen here in the image that Sushant Singh Rajput is wearing a t-shirt with a beard, or you can see a spatial smiley. What exactly is the name of that particular smiley? Okay, you said Schrödinger smiley. Can you say what exactly that means?
Well, we don't know whether he is happy or sad.
And that fetches the full 1 point. So Schrödinger smiley +1. Moving on to question number 8. 3 questions to go. That brings the question to +1. Okay, question number 8. Okay, a tough one indeed. John Harrington, Alexander Cumming, Thomas Crapper are associated with what development? So what development can you associate them all?
It's Arun.
Arun, go for it.
Plumbing and toilets. You said Thomas Crapper, right? The last.
Yeah. I said Thomas Crapper. I said Alexander Cumming. I said John Harrington. I said what development? Okay, what's your answer?
Toilets, flush toilets, plumbing, etc. So they're basically associated with all of that.
So the only acceptable answer which I was looking for was flush toilet, which was in your answer. That fetches you +1 points. So flush toilet is +1. So flush toilet, brilliant answer. So we have Gokul at +2, Rishi at +1, Arun at +3. After question number 8, we have 2 more questions. I think rest of the participants need to gear up. I think Arun is through. Okay, question number 9. I think he should sit and watch the match. Okay, anyways, question number 9. So founded in 1901, a government of India enterprise, expand BCPL, and who is the person behind BCPL?
It's Rishi.
Buzz it. Okay.
It's Rishi.
Okay, go for it.
This is Bengal Chemicals and it's Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy.
Okay, I said expand BCPL.
Okay. Bengal Chemicals Private Limited and then Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy.
Private limited. Okay.
And Acharya Prafulla
Anyways, almost 75 to 80% of your answer is correct. Okay, Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceutical Limited.
Okay.
And Prafulla Chandra Ray, I can give you a +1. So Rishi +1. And the final question, which won't make any difference in the score. Anyways, question number 10. So she pioneered gamete intrafallopian transfer techniques, which is called GIFT. In short, resulting India's first GIFT baby on 4th January 1988. Previously, she was also associated with India's second ever test tube baby in 1986. So name her, as simple as that. So identify her. Who is she? So her first name is a famous Bharat Ratna awardee, and the second name is a famous business name. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So no one buzzing. So the answer
It's Aviral 10 buzzing.
It won't make any changes, but still you can try Aviral.
Subhash Mukherjee.
Not Subhash Mukherjee is female. Okay, no. So answer is Indira Ahuja. So Indira Gandhi being the context which I gave as the famous Bharat Ratna awardee, and Hinduja being the Hindu groups. So Indira Hinduja is what I was looking for. So that fetches Aviral a -1. And that brings Gokul to finals with +2, +2, and +3 each. So we have now in the final Ritvik, Manjil, Zaman, Gokul, Rishi, and Arun. So that's all from the semi-final 2. We will meet you all in the finals. Stay tuned. That's all from our side.
Good night.
Rajiv, आज है क्या?
आज नहीं है.
Okay, I just want to go to sleep.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Thanks everybody.
Okay.